Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Balikutsa candy. This delightful treat is a traditional pulled sugar candy from the Philippines, known for its unique texture. It's primarily crafted from pure sugarcane juice or crystalline sugar, transformed into a sweet, melt-in-your-mouth confection. You'll discover how simple ingredients can create something truly special. The first step involves preparing the sugarcane syrup. You'll need to boil pure sugarcane juice or crystalline sugar until it caramelizes, transforming into a rich, golden liquid. It's important to achieve a thick, syrupy consistency, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes of cooking. Remember, constant stirring is crucial to prevent any burning and ensure your syrup cooks evenly. Now for the most distinctive part, pulling and shaping the candy. Once your syrup has cooled slightly and is safe to handle, you'll begin to repeatedly pull and fold it. Traditionally, this is done against a sturdy nail or hook. Continue this process for about 10 to 15 minutes until the candy transforms into a beautiful creamy white color. Then, quickly shape it into its characteristic curled forms. After shaping, the final step is to allow your Balikutsa candies to dry. Traditionally, they are left under the sun for several hours to fully harden. Once dry, your Balikutsa is ready to enjoy. You can savor it as a delightful sweet treat on its own, or use it as a natural sweetener for your coffee or tea. Store your homemade Balikutsa in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.